Hello everyone, I am Maya from News in Short by FTM. Have you ever imagined a baby being produced in a factory-like environment? Hashim Al-Khaili's Ectolife can grow around 30,000 babies yearly because of extensive and groundbreaking scientific research of over 50 years. To be clear from the outset, this is just a concept at this stage. The brainchild of a Berlin-based producer, filmmaker and science communicator Hashim Al-Khaili. There are no immediate plans to build an Ectolife facility. This is merely a piece of science fiction Al-Khaili has extrapolated from the current state of fertility research. You can use the Elite package, which would let you engineer the embryo genetically before they implant it into an artificial womb. You can choose intelligence, height, strength, hair, eye color, etc. and avoid genetic diseases. Hashim says Ectolife is entirely powered by renewable energy and is the first artificial womb facility in the world. Al-Khaili's argument goes something like this. Pregnancy is not fun. It can be exhausting, painful, nauseating, intrusive, inconvenient, and sometimes flat out dangerous for a mother. And there are all kinds of ways it can be suboptimal for a baby. If you're pregnant and you smoke or party or stress too much or catch certain diseases, or you simply don't play enough mozart at your burgeoning belly, you might not be giving your child the best start you can. The World Health Organization reports that around 3 lakh deaths happen due to pregnancy complications. Ectolife will help reduce human suffering and reduce C-sections. Ectolife will make C-sections and premature births history. Hashim added that Ectolife would offer solutions to women who had to have their uterus removed due to complications. It would help countries that suffer population decline such as South Korea, Japan, etc. Hashim says the technology is already available, but ethical constraints do not make it a reality. He concluded by saying that every future is completely science-based and scientists, engineers have already achieved it. Thank you for watching us. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more breaking news. Suggest in the comment box and share with your friends.